right, Derek. Show Mackenzie what has her name on it and what has your name on it.
Okay. There's nothing else except for this. This is my stuff. Okay. This has...
Mackenzie, wait for Derek.
This has... a lip gloss.
No, Mackenzie, over here.
Mackenzie.
All right, the stick goes on the balloon. All right, Mackenzie, that's your balloon. All right, Derek, can you put the stick on it for her?
Mackenzie. It's Mackenzie's Valentine's balloon.
All right, put the stick on the other one.
This one's mine. Yeah. Nice.
This is from Grandma and Granddad.
Yeah.
Okay. Finish separating, Derek.
Okay. I got here is Derek. That one's yours, Mackenzie. This one's mine. Yeah. Yeah. This one. This one is yours. There. This is in 3D.
Cool.
Mommy, this one is mine. This one is mini hairball. Mini hairball. Mini birthday. Yay! I get these. What? I have some.
A little bit, not right now. What do you have, Mackenzie?
A candy.
Awesome.
Same thing as me and.
All right, whose is that?
Mackenzie, Derek, and DCA. DCA?
That's Jennifer. That's for Mommy.
For me, TC. For Mommy.
It's for Mommy.
No, not for Mommy.
No, that says Mommy.
Just Mommy.
Oh, do you want the Minnie Mouse? Okay.
And Derek
Okay.
and Mackenzie. Yay. Yay. Open it. That's for Mommy. It's TC. Yeah, it's right here on it. I'm a chip it. Mommy, I'm not a chip it. I'm not a chip it. Let's see what's in it. Oreo crackers! Yay for me! Oh, yay, this! Wow, it is.
Sweethearts. They're sweethearts.
Sweetheart. And what? Oh, and stickers! Wow. I've got a lot of this.
All right, can you say thank you, Grandma and Granddad?
Thank you, Grandma and Granddad.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.